welcome back to another video in which today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Dino T-Rex game part 6, and I will make this my final, and yes, so let's get started. I have to first sign up because I am working on two profiles. One is my Sharia, come on, quick, sign in. I have it and I have it. Well, why are you detective me? Yeah, so as I signed in, so yes, you might notice I got a mail, and let's quickly check that out. Okay, I do not care that mail. Let's just go to our stuff. We can see that I got a two hearts. Yeah, so who cares? Let's quickly go to Unity Untitled 4. Means our Dino T-Rex game, and today we are gonna be making a retry button, so like a retry option so that our game is perfect. And they keep this loading for nothing, just for style. So as you guys can see, I have to click it twice or thrice. Oh, I forgot. And I think so the pop volume is very high. You guys may have noticed we last time made, oops. Wow, nice. So we did this. As you guys can remember, our pop sound is really loud. So to control that sound, we can do set volume, man. That was 100. I can't believe it. So I can set 50, okay, so that it's half the sound I was hearing. Yeah, this is still loud. 20 and okay, 15 will be the best. It's almost shut down. Yeah, 15 is good. You guys might not hear it, but oops, that small thing. While you jump, if you press down arrow key, like you go a little underground, but our jumping velocity, our y is negative 1, 2, 3, and it'll always be negative 1, 2, 3 until you press jump and the down arrow key, then papungas. Okay, yeah. So we want to make a retry button. So let's quickly just draw a sprite, and you guys need to draw a sprite. Well, I do not need to draw a sprite. What? Error loading black backpack. Okay, because I already have the sprite with me because I just like stole it from someone. No, not bitmap. Let's just go to vector. I stole this sprite from someone. I don't know who, but yeah. Yes, and this will forever be over. Let's say here. This area is good. So we even want to make the score. Did we make a score? I don't remember because I'm doing this video after a lot of time. Oh yeah, so we did yet make a variable called score. SCORE, score. And if you guys have this cloud variable stored on server option, click on this and you can put world best. So yes, and it's gonna go in the server. I hope that works. Yes. I do not need that. So you can completely ignore. We just want when flag clicked, it's supposed to go to its position right now, whatever it is. Let's see what is 0 0 doing. 0 and 0. Let's see where is that. I think so we can put it a little below, right there, because it's a retry not button. So to do that, you can just remove this and add another one. So this is our simplified one. Now we have to do some changes. So we just have to hide. Now whenever we made that whenever it touches cactus, where is that? If then touching cactus, instead of stop all, we can use a variable. Where is a variable? We can use my variable, set my variable. We don't need to use broadcast because this is a new trick I'm gonna teach you guys. Set my variable to now hide, now show button. So you just have to like type that now show button, and forever loop if then uh my variable equals to, now you have to type now show button. Oops, you don't have to make any mistakes in the spellings. It should be the exact same. The best way to do that is copy and paste. And let's say then it is supposed to, then we're gonna add an if then. We're gonna enable something. Let's just make enable in enable, or you can either use broadcast and all, but I like this way because then you're gonna set enable. Or we can just like, instead of doing this, we can add in an if then block under this and all. Yeah, so set, I like moving it the long way, so you guys pretty much should do enable to 0. Yeah, 0 will be good. 0, and we can take another forever loop, another flag, and if then enable equals to, okay, let's just do that inside this. This is gonna be just time wasting. Let's just delete enable, delete the variable enable like that. So let's add an if then touching mouse pointer, then it is supposed to do something like, we can go to looks. It is supposed to set if then else is what we need. Okay, else. Okay, so we'll even need an else. Oh, yeah. Oh, what happened? Yeah, we'll even need an else because we even wanted to return. If then touching mouse pointer means if our mouse pointer is on top of this, it is supposed to hide, means like change its color effect by something. Means like set color effect, not change. Set bright ghost effect will be nice. Ghost effect to about 20. What? Ghost effect 20 was bad. 5. Just show. 1 minute. I'll just remove the hide stuff. Yes, and let's make the flag. Oops. Oops. No, only this. If then touching mouse pointer. Oh, show button now. Yes. Oh. For now, let's just like play this. Let's just remove this only for now. We can add in it later because we are just doing testings for now. If you guys can't spot it, it's really hard to spot, so let's put it 20. Now let's try it. Yeah, perfect. Else set ghost effect to 0. Now see, like it's 20, but we can increase the numbers to 30, 40, 50 or 100. Yeah, see, it's, yeah, this is perfect. And we're gonna, oh yeah, I forgot. After that you have to stop. Let's just broadcast a message. And then we are gonna even stop this script, right? Otherwise the dinosaur will be running. Stop the other scripts in this sprite, okay? After we do that, we can just take this also. When I receive message 1, when I receive message 1, oh, do we have any message till now? No, good. You have to be a lot aware. Message 1, then stop other things in this script. Stop, no, other sprite scripts in this, yeah. Just add that in this, and also add that in this. I think so, I got that. Stop, yeah. Nah. It's gonna broadcast message 1 and stop other things in this script. And it's gonna broadcast the same message called message 1. So yeah, as eventually it's doing that. Let's just see, did it come in this? Yes, perfect. Let's just carry on to the, nah. No, I don't need that. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so now it's gonna hide. If then first is going, it's gonna be show, because we want our thing to show if it dies. So show, and then let's just copy this, duplicate it, but we're not gonna need the hide option and all. And this time we're gonna put off if then. We'll not need this at all. If then. So we're gonna need this thing called mouse down. If then mouse down. Oh shoots, I'll need that. And my variable equals to and. So we want a double check. I just want to confirm it. Like okay, so we can just add in this, and it's gonna check false. As you can see, it's false. So yes, then it is supposed to broadcast retry. So this time we'll need a message called retry. Try. So I did retry, and all of this is not gonna work in flag, but it's gonna work in retry. I have to set that to retry. Yes, all of them are gonna work in retry. Broadcast retry means once the flag is clicked, also it should broadcast retry. So this is how we make a retry button. Retry. Oops. You can try adding in comments to, like, if people sees how did you make your project, you can just right click it, add comment, and there's your comment box. So I'll just cross it out. Yeah, let's stop it. Only on when I receive retry that's gonna happen. And yes, what happened? Oh yeah, okay, there's a smaller shoe. Okay, so this is also gonna work in when I receive retry, not when flag clicked. So when I receive retry, not message 1, retry, and the same will happen with all of this. So I'll quickly do that, not waste my time. Retry, just delete that, throw that away. When I receive retry, not again for so many things that I'm tired already. Okay, so when I receive retry, and this is also out. Is there any more? Yeah, and you should be like checking everything. Is there any flag? Because we don't need any flag. We only need around 1, 2, 3 flags. That's how it works. Retry, and perfect. It works. Nice, nice. Where's retry? Yes. Any other scripts? No. So now you can see, oops, just, it's not hiding. Hide. Yes, in fact, it should hide. Why is this in show? There's a small issue now. Okay, so I'll quickly fix that issue with the game. Means like it's hiding. Yes, it's hiding. See message one. Nah, just add it there. I think so. I should add in another flag. And should I think so? No, we don't need it. Okay. Hide? Why isn't it hiding? Oh. It like automatically shows. Oh. I get it because we didn't like yet set our variable, my variable to. Okay, so when flag click, set my variable to 0. So we are gonna set my variable to 0. Now it's gonna work. And as we move on, let's just give it a test try. It hits that, light color changes, and it should hide if it is clicking. So we forgot to add in that broadcast retry, and it's supposed to hide itself. So let's again try that. Perfect, our game works good, and it's not hiding. Hide. Why isn't it hiding? Oh, okay, so we again have to set the my variable again, my variable to 0, and this will be our working game. Finally, at last, it works after days of training. Where is the cactus? Perfect. Our game works. So now let's work on the score. Okay, I think so we should put the score in our next video. So this is part 6. Wait for part 7. We are gonna be making scores, and the world best cloud means it's gonna show whoever made the largest score. It's like not multiplayer, but I'll say cloud score means like whoever makes it. Anyone in the world can make their highest score. It'll be stored, saved in the server. So let's quickly hide other variables where we do not need the score and the world's best and your high score. Your oops high score. So your oops high score. So this we do not have to do it cloud because and in the next video is what I'm going to be teaching you how to use these score variables. So yes, this is the end of part 6. The last part is 7. If I want, I can make a part 8 separately. Just comment me down for the birds that I have to check on it. Okay, so bye. See you in the next part. Okay.